So it's that time of the month. You know, the one where you go, woo, yay, I'm so happy it's here, because that means you're not pregnant. But then you go, oh, it's here, because you get the bloatedness, you get the, your skin breaking out, you get in a bad mood, you get really tired, so many things, good and bad. Obviously, I'd rather have it every month. I'm so done with kids. But I'm gonna share a couple tips that I have found have made this time of the month a little bit easier for me to kind of deal with. My number one issue, and it's basically month-long issue, is bloatedness. I can eat one meal and 4 pounds water weight gain. It's ridiculous how much weight I can gain in, just during the day. So a couple of tips that I kind of stick to is I try to reduce my sodium in foods. And along with that also comes like reducing carbonated beverages, because a lot of the times, I'm not a big soda drinker, but I do like, like the seltzer waters, all those kind of stuff, and those have a lot of sodium. So I need to reduce those. And then also I stick with foods that kind of will help me reduce the bloatedness, and that includes peppermint, ginger, I have a couple tips here, pineapple, parsley, yogurt with probiotics. All those things will actually help you reduce a little bit of bloatedness. And don't forget the water. It's just water weight, what they call it. And in order to combat that, you kind of want to drink a lot more water. So don't forget the water. And also, you are supposed to have a lot of fiber, but don't overdo it on fiber when you're during this time of the month. So one of the biggest concern, when a woman has a period, is that it might come on heavy. So you really want to try to stick with products that are created to kind of help with that heavy period. Lately, I've been using You by Kotex because I really like them. Well, they have maxi pads, and then they have these are regular and these are regular, but they're thinner. So that's good. And then they also have tampons. Tampons are my go-to just because I don't like that feeling of being on something. But you know what? Tampons I have to wear with, string bikinis or anything like that. You want to wear tampons because you don't want anybody to see your pads. But if you are wearing like the boy shorts or anything cute like that, you want to stick with it. You might want to stick with the pads, especially if you're still not comfortable with having something in you all the time. But really, I think one of the best things about you getting a period is that you go out and you get a cute pair of undies, and maybe you just wear those undies during this time. You have like a little collection of it, just because I think it makes it so much easier. Don't stick with the ones that are ruined. Don't stick with the ones that you don't care if they get messed up. There's wonderful products like, tampons and pads, and don't forget the liners. Super important. Liners are your best friend during this time. They will save your cute undies. But you want to focus on something like that where you can trust the product, that it's not going to leak, and you want to wear something cute to go with it, because you don't want to make this time of the month seem so bad. It happens all the time. You might as well make the best of it. So while you're doing that, remember to take care of yourself. One of the best things that you can do is actually don't stop exercising, or maybe you don't want to be running so much or something like that because your body just really hurts all the time, and I know it hurts. So maybe you want to stick with like yoga. That will actually help you, just stretch, and maybe like I have this French lavender candle. I just light it up and I do some yoga. Stay away from inversions. Those are not your friend during this time. And it makes me feel good, by that time, but after, my hour and a half yoga, I am so relaxed. I'm done. After that, just chill out, watch a movie, do something fun. And one of the things that, I'm not a big chocolate eater anyways, but around this time, I just have such a craving for sweets, and I just had one last night. It's just something that's really, it hits the spot. Like, you just want something sweet and you want a small part of it. don't forget the chocolate. Anything dark chocolate, try to stick with try to stay away from anything that has too much stuff in it, and something stick with a little bit something more raw, more like dark cocoa, kind of like that. Don't forget to take care of yourself during this time, but that doesn't mean that you kind of just let yourself go all natural, you know? It's all natural. You want to still be put on your makeup, you know, you want to, and one of the best outfits for me during this whole time of the month is our dresses. I love dresses because they, you know, if I'm bloated, nobody can tell. You know, or wear maxi skirts, you know, like they kind of have like the elastic along, like the big elastic band at the top. So, you know, it's stretchy all the time. You feel comfortable, you feel trendy. You know, make sure that your nails are always done. You know, it's just one of those things that will make you feel better about yourself. You know, you don't have to stay away from the sweatpants. Step away from the sweatpants. You know, check out leggings. Leggings with like a nice tunic top and some wedges. Something cute like that. Something comfortable and still cute. And nobody will be the wiser. Don't forget to, if you are wearing leggings and the top isn't covering your entire butt, stay away from the pads, because you know people will be able to tell that you're wearing a pad if you're wearing leggings. However, if you have a long top or something like that, wear whatever you want. Same thing with dresses. You don't have to stick with tampons, wear the pads too. Just keep in mind, this time only comes around once a month. Take care of yourself, be happy, and you know, make the most of it. This is Patty Cordova with LivingMiVidaLoca.com.